This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Vision Pro for a productive session. Charge it to at least 50% and confirm the latest OS is installed so features behave predictably. Sign in with your Apple ID, enable iCloud and Find My to sync apps and secure the device. Once done, put it on and adjust the band and eyesight calibration so controls track your eyes accurately. This reduces lag and makes gestures reliable. You now configure how you interact. Practice gestures, voice commands, and use Control Center to toggle essentials. This trains your muscle memory and speeds navigation. Next, install the apps you need and organize your spatial windows into comfortable positions so workflows stay visible. Then fine-tune audio levels, pass-through opacity, and hand-tracking sensitivity. These settings optimize immersion versus awareness and prevent accidental inputs during focused tasks. You finish by saving your window layouts and enabling automatic backups so setups persist across sessions. Set focus modes to limit interruptions during deep work. If tracking or controllers drift, repair them first, because most issues stem from connection hiccups. If problems persist, restart the headset, and if needed, rerun eyesight and gesture calibration. That usually restores precise tracking without wiping personalized data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.